On that special night on Christmas Eve, Santa gets to come to all the little boys and the little girls' houses and fill their stockings. Whether they've been naughty or nice, their stockings get filled. So where do you put them? If you're looking for a stocking holder that doesn't require you to put nails in your mantel, then this is the holder for you. This project is only going to require a few 1x4s. All we're going to do is make a simple box. These 1x4s are 3 3/8 inches, so I'm going to cut 2 pieces at 39 inches, and I'm going to cut 2 pieces at 3 3/8 inches by 3 3/8 inches. So we have our 2 pieces that are 39 inches long. They're going to act as the front and the back of our box. The little pieces that are 3 3/8 by 3 3/8 are going to act as the ends of our box. So the last piece we have to cut out is the bottom of our box. Because the front and back of our box are 39 inches long, we're going to subtract the 2 end pieces from that 39 inches. The 2 end pieces are 1.5 inches long. So we're going to take 39 minus 1.5, and that's going to give us 37.5 inches for our bottom board. Easy peasy! Now let's sand all our pieces. And that's all it took. Now it's time to put it together. I'm going to do this by using wood glue and a nail gun. But if you don't have a nail gun, you can just use hammer and nails instead. In my family, so I'm going to put 6 hooks on my holder. To do that, I'm going to take 39 inches and divide it by 7. That gives me just over 5.5 inches for the spacing. If you're going to stain or paint your holder, you better do that before you put your hooks on. I just plan on going all natural. Build. It was a lot of fun for me, and if you don't want any holes in your stocking, you better go subscribe to Plot Design's channel. We'll see you next time on our 12 Days of Christmas.